I'll never forget a young guy I represented. It was his first offense and he got probation instead of jail. He thought he was in the clear, and at his second probation meeting, he casually told his PO, "I didn't think missing one class really mattered." And by the end of the week, he was in handcuffs with a probation violation affidavit. And this is real life. Sometimes it's not what you do that will get you violated, but what you say. Probation officers aren't just note takers. They're the eyes and ears of the court, and what you do or say can and often does end up in their reports to the judge. And once it's written down, you can't take it back. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down 5 things you should never say to your probation officer and what to say instead so you don't trip yourself up and end up back in court. I'm Andrew Beasley, your Tennessee criminal defense lawyer, and I help people avoid small mistakes that can land them back in court in big trouble. And here are the 5 things to never, ever say to your probation officer. Number 1, I didn't think it mattered. I had a client who skipped out on his drug classes. He told his PO it wasn't a big deal. Within days, he was getting arrested for a violation. Nothing on probation is minor. If you have missed something, own it, fix it, and show that you're taking it seriously. Number 2, don't lie about work or where you live. I had another situation where a probationer told his PO he was working full time. PO called to verify, and he wasn't. Not only did he get violated, but the judge added on more restrictions because of the lie. Here's what you need to know. Lies get caught. Honesty may sting in the moment, but dishonesty ruins your credibility forever. Number 3, do not complain about the judge and do not complain about the system. A woman told her PO, "This judge hates me. This is all rigged." Well, that comment went straight into her probation report, and at a violation hearing, the judge read it out loud in the courtroom. She didn't get a second chance. The lesson here, vent to your lawyer, not your PO. POs are an extension of the court and the system. They don't want excuses. They want accountability. Number 4, don't do drugs on probation. And if it's prohibited by the terms of your probation, don't drink alcohol. I had a client who told his PO, "I only smoked a little bit of weed at a party. It's not that big a deal." If he had been honest about his slip up and been more respectful, the PO might have given him a second chance. Instead, he ended up violated and sitting in jail waiting for his violation hearing. If you're struggling with drug use or other addiction, talk to your lawyer first. We can help navigate the process with your PO without automatically triggering a violation. Number 5, don't say, "You're not the judge, you can't do anything to me." I once saw a guy lose his temper on his probation officer in court. He said, "You're not the judge, you don't scare me." Short time later, he was sitting in a holding cell. The PO absolutely can do something. They can file a violation and put you back in front of the judge again. Disrespect never wins. And here's one more tip. Be very careful what you post on social media. Probation officers can and do monitor that. If you're gonna post it, assume your probation officer is going to see it. Probation is your second chance and an alternative to jail. Don't blow it with the wrong words or actions. If you or someone you know is on probation and worried about violations, don't wait for the arrest. Give us a call now. We'll perform a free case analysis and walk you through all your options.